Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the split screen mode on the Samsung S25. Okay, so first we need to open up two apps. For example, it can be the calculator, and the second app can be Notes. And now to open those apps in the split screen mode, we need to open up recent apps. Now simply hold on one of those apps. Okay, and now need to drop on the upper side of the screen or on the bottom side of the screen one of those apps. Currently I'm holding the Notes. Now simply release. Okay, and now we can select another app. We're gonna select the calculator, and now as you can see, both of those apps are in the split screen mode. So Notes are on the bottom, the calculator is on the top. You can also adjust the size of those apps by holding on those three dots and adjusting the size by moving your finger. Also, if you click on those three dots, you can change the position of those apps. So now the Notes are on the top and the calculator is on the bottom. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.